Guys, ito nga pala yung coach nila, si Sir Greg. Anong pangalan ng school?
Dasmariñas Elementary School, coach. Ayan, future tayo doon. So, next year, ito si JM. Ito na yung magiging front ng DES kasi si Kawaling mag-graduate na yan. Ito si Kawaling, halika rito Kawaling. Ito yung front ngayon kasi mag-graduate na yan. So, may next tayo, naka-line up. Okay?
Para, 1v1 muna kayo.
Sige daw.
Guys, dahil nga hindi tayo nakapaglaro si JM ngayon, makakalaban niya yung point guard nila. Yan yung kapalitan ni JM. Anong pangalan mo?
Kawaling Roderick.
Ilan taon?
11.
Parang gaslaw mo ah. Mabilis yata ito eh.
Kargado par.
Kargado, okay.
Another game, I'm musculastic. Platinum when I sweat, no, it's not plastic. I fill up the bank, bang. Student another game, I got my masters. Whoa, 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 whoa. My wife got me a Rolex, step your wifey up. Started from the bottom, now the price is up. We go gift for gift, it's like a game to us. You go tip for tat, and that's just strangers. What's love? L-O-V-E, got some, H-A-T-E, can't do bad vibes, not on this side, please keep that on that side. Student of the game, I'm musculastic. Platinum when I sweat, no, it's not plastic. Fill up the bank, bang. Doing another game, I got my masters. Whoa, 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 whoa. My mama's top 1, don't care about top 10s. Only fear God, just some fear God again. Try not to speak my mind, but I can keep it in. Stuck on social, staying local, here you go again. Drop back to back, it's more to come. When I'm lost, I'm going dumb. For my kids, I give a rip. For my love, I lose a lump. I want cool from 86. I want trucks from 7-1. Love this life I get to live. I wake up and run it up. Student of the game, I'm musculastic. Platinum when I sweat, no, it's not plastic. I fill up the bank, man. Student of the game, I got my masters.
Grabe, gumalaw na, no? Parang mama na. Shoutout, may shoutout ka ba?
Wala yung shoutout.
Hoy, kawali, shoutout ka ba?
Ayaw niya. O ikaw, sino?
Shoutout.
Ha? Ilan?
O ikaw?
Shoutout kay Coach Mab.
Tara. And guys, dahil nga wala silang game, nilabanan na lang ni JM ng 1v1 yung campaign niya. Pares point guard, pero grabe na gumalaw. Sids, no? Grabe na gumalaw.
Grabe yung ano, yung mga kusugan.
Tsaka parang ano na eh, bato-bato talaga eh.
Coach!
Batak eh, no?
Pero ganun din si JM. May bato-bato rin.
Pero kasi 11 years old na, iba talaga po gano'n.
Guys, Dayu is back! Repeat! Dayu is back! Let's go, Gab. 12, 30. Huwag ka munang mag-focus sa speed. Okay, ayusin mo muna. Pag maayos na sa kamabilisan. Go. 6, 7,
Come on, 6, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, come on. 8. Pag ganyan, hindi mo kailangang bilisan. Pwede siya bumagsak after every dribble. 6. Yan lang. 6. Okay, come on. Come on, Gab. Sige. Tumatama, Gab eh. Tumatama. Oops, yun munang right muna unahin mo. Come on. 13. Come on, Gab. Okay, go. 16 to 30. Ready. Set. Go. 18. Oops, not counted. Pag bumagsak, not counted. Come on. All you have to do is add more focus. Lalo na pag nasa third rep ka na, usually doon ka nagkakamali. What we're trying to do, Gab, sa ensayo natin is for you not only understanding kung paano mo siya gagawin, understanding also bakit ka nagkakamali. Bakit ka nagkakamali? Maybe it's because of the bounce, kulang siya sa pagpasok, or kulang siya sa lakas, or kulang siya sa angle, or kulang sa yung stance mo ng legs mo, dapat mas wide. Sa ensayo natin, this is just the warm-up na pag nakuha mo na yan, lahat ng ginawa mo, warm-up lang yung Gab. Gagawin lang natin yan in less than 10 minutes. Pero ngayon, nauubos yung oras mo sa warm-up stage pa lang, di ba? Pero dito, ang importante na naiintindihan mo dito, bakit ka nagkakamali? Kasi you'll make more mistakes sa mga susunod, lalo na sa mas mahihirap na drills. Lalo na kapag situational na tayo, yung detailed na talaga. Pati yung galaw ng ulo, galaw ng mata, nagmamatter na siya. So, dapat alam mo bakit ka nagkakamali. Pag na-develop mo yung ganong klaseng mindset, pagdating sa ensayo mo, you'll improve faster. Kasi alam mo bakit ka nagkakamali. At dahil alam mo bakit ka nagkakamali, may isip mo saan kang part dapat nag-i-improve. Okay? Huwag ka lang mag-focus basta sa kung paano mo siya gagawin. Mag-focus ka din, bakit ako nagkamali dito sa isang to? Nag-shooting, dumating na tayo sa stage ng shooting, bakit kaya hindi sumushoot yung tira ko? Anong angle ko? Anong may mali ba sa flow ng paa ko? Sa pagtalon ko? You know, when you start to realize or recognize the reason why you make mistakes, that's the fastest way. One of the fastest way para mag-improve ka. So dyan, nasa warm-up level ka pa lang. Malayo-malayo ka pa, Gab. Pero, very impressive for a first-timer na nagagawa mo yon. Pero kahit impressive siya, I also want you to understand, try to understand ba't ka nagkakamali. Kasi, for example, pag dribble mo, hindi siya masyadong nakapasok sa loob, dito mo lang nababounce, tumatama tuloy dito. Second time around, dinribble mo ulit dito. Tumama ulit dito. Naka-focus ka sa paano ko ba siya gagawin tama. Hindi mo na-realize ano ba yung mali ko, specifically. Dito ko pala nababounce. Dapat medyo dito ko siya mabounce. So, you'll be more detailed sa ensayo mo kasi alam mo kung saan ka nagkamaling part eh. You get me? So, that kind of mindset, whether ang ina-ensayo natin is for beginners, for average, or for advanced, or super advanced, or whatever it is, pro level, or kung ano mang stage, knowing where you make mistakes and why you make mistakes is very, very important. You get me? Okay. Let's go ahead. 12, 13, 14, good job, 15, 16, nice one, Gab, ako na. Okay, Gab, that's impressive. Okay, tandaan mo, this is your first time. Alam mo yung iba, dyan sa drill na yan, yung nag-iisang drill na yan. Okay, the opposite, pero same time nagbabounce, yan mismo ginagawa mo. 80% na na-handle kong students, simula dati, nagtatagal sila dyan sa drill na yan, ng 1 or 1.5 hours, yung iba mas malala, 2 hours. Hindi nila ma-figure out paano papasok yung dalawang bola ng sabay. Eh minsan tumatagal ng 2-3 session bago nila nagsistart ma-figure out. Pero ikaw, few minutes, nakukuha mo siya. Eh dapat matuwa ka doon. Pero very important, katulad sinabi ko sa'yo, it's about you knowing saan ka nagkakamali. So again, this is not a situational move, this is not a drill with footwork. Katulad nga sinabi ko, this is just a warm-up. Warm-up lang talaga lahat ng ginawa niya ball handling. Kapag namaso niya na yan, gagawin niya na lang yan in less than 10 minutes. Lahat ng drills na ginawa niya dito sa video na to. Pero, right now, dahil first time niya, tumagal siya ng almost 2 hours. Doon lang, specifically, sa warm-up stage. So, pero quite impressive dahil hindi lahat kayang tapusin yun ng ganun kabilis. Lalo na sa first time, marami nagsistruggle doon. Even you, try it at home, subukan nyo para kumbaga malaman rin yung level of difficulty ng ginagawa ni Gab. And try to, of course, challenge yourself kung medyo dumadali na siya, add more speed. Pero The question is, na dapat mo sagutin, saan ako nagkakamali? You have to recognize the weakness, you have to recognize the mistakes. Saang part ba nangyayari yung mistakes? Ano ba yung talbog na bola? Ano ba ginagawa ko? Focus on the details, and if you will be able to answer those small questions, di mo na mamalayon, yun yung nagbi-build ng stronger foundation na whatever skill na gusto mo ma-develop, whether shooting yan, passing yan, situational move yan, ball handling yan, footwork yan, or whatever it is, saan ba akong part nagkakamali? Pag nasagot mo yung tanong na yun, mas mag-improve ka na mas mabilis. So, Gab, good job! Wala kang malay ngayon. Pero remember, Gab, ha? Consistency tayo, ha? Good job.